let's explore Stoic wisdom on time and potential. Embrace the finite nature of time. Each moment lost is an opportunity gone. Prioritize virtue, align actions with purpose, and accept what's beyond control. Cultivate mindfulness to engage fully in the present. Set clear goals, reflecting on past lessons for growth. See challenges as avenues for development, fostering resilience. Nurture inner tranquility for effective navigation through life. Guard your attention against distractions, directing focus intentionally. Celebrate the present, finding joy regardless of circumstances. These Stoic tips guide you towards maximizing time, unlocking your true potential, and living up. How does this resonate with you? Number 10. Understand the finite nature of time. Adopt the Stoic perspective that time is a finite resource, irreplaceable once spent. Acknowledge that every fleeting moment holds the potential for opportunities, and squandering time equates to forfeiting these possibilities. Embracing this notion instills a sense of urgency and mindfulness, urging you to invest your time purposefully. Stoic wisdom emphasizes the significance of each passing moment, encouraging a proactive approach in pursuing meaningful. By recognizing the unrecoverable nature of time, you are propelled to make conscious choices that align with your goals and values. How does this resonate with your perception of time? Number 9. Prioritize virtue and purpose. Direct your attention to what holds genuine significance, cultivating a virtuous life and chasing your purpose. The essence of Stoic philosophy lies in aligning actions with core values, ensuring every moment is invested in pursuits that resonate with your higher principles. By prioritizing virtue and purpose, you elevate the quality of your existence, making your time a vessel for meaningful contributions and personal growth. This Stoic counsel prompts a deliberate examination of priorities, urging you to spend time on endeavors that align with your authentic self. In doing so, each passing moment becomes a step towards a purposeful, value-driven life. How does this resonate with your current focus and aspirations? Number 8. Accept what you cannot control. Stoicism's core tenet advocates embracing the inevitable uncertainties of life. Stoics recognize the futility of attempting to control external circumstances beyond one's grasp. Instead, they urged individuals to invest their precious time and energy wisely by concentrating on what lies within their sphere of influence. This pragmatic philosophy encourages a mindful allocation of resources, steering away from futile struggles against uncontrollable forces. By redirecting attention towards areas where one can affect change, Stoicism offers a blueprint for resilience and empowerment. It's a timeless reminder to navigate life's unpredictable currents with grace, focusing on actionable steps that align with personal values and goals. How does this Stoic wisdom resonate with your approach to handling life's uncertainties and priority? Number 7. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate the art of staying present in the now. Stoic philosophy champions mindfulness as a powerful tool to enrich your experience of each moment. By immersing yourself fully in the present, you elevate the quality of your activities, infusing them with deeper meaning and purpose. Mindfulness becomes a compass, guiding you away from the distractions of the past or future, ensuring your energy is invested where it matters most. In the realm of Stoicism, the practice of being present is not just about savoring the current moment. It's a strategy to enhance the productivity and significance of your time. How does incorporating mindfulness align with your current lifestyle and goals? Number 6. Set clear goals. Clarify your objectives and establish achievable goals. In the Stoic tradition, setting clear intentions becomes a compass for purposeful living. By defining your path and establishing realistic milestones, you channel your energy toward endeavors that contribute to your holistic well-being. Stoicism emphasizes the alignment of goals with virtue and personal values, ensuring that your pursuits lead to a fulfilling and meaningful life. This intentional approach not only propels you towards success, but also fosters a sense of purpose and satisfaction. How do you currently go about defining your objectives? And in what ways do they contribute to your overall well-being? Number 5. Reflect on the past. Draw wisdom from your experiences. Stoicism champions reflecting on the past, not for dwelling in regrets, but for extracting valuable lessons. In the Stoic philosophy, the past becomes a reservoir of knowledge, a source for personal growth and risk. By examining past actions and outcomes, you gain insights that guide future decisions. This reflective process is not fueled by remorse, but driven by a commitment to continuous improvement. Stoicism encourages a forward-looking perspective, using the past as a teacher rather than a burden. How do you currently approach reflecting on your experiences, and in what ways has it contributed to your personal development? Number 4. Embrace challenges. See challenges not as obstacles, but as avenues for growth. Stoicism instills the belief that confronting difficulties with resilience and courage is a catalyst for personal development. The Stoic mindset reframes adversities as opportunities to fortify character and enhance capabilities. By embracing challenges, you not only navigate through them, but also sculpt a more robust and capable self. Stoicism's emphasis on facing difficulties with unwavering determination underscores the transformative power embedded within. How do you currently approach challenges in your life? And in what ways do they contribute to your growth and character development? Number 3. Cultivate inner tranquility. Cherish inner peace, a core virtue in Stoicism. Through self-discipline and cultivating a tranquil mind, Stoics advocate for maintaining a serene disposition. This poised state becomes a guiding force, empowering you to navigate life's challenges with clarity and effectiveness. The practice of self-discipline ensures that your actions align with your principles, fostering a sense of inner harmony. A calm mind becomes a reservoir of strength, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. In the Stoic philosophy, the pursuit of inner peace is not just a personal goal. It is a strategic approach to facing life's complexities with resilience and wisdom. How do you currently cultivate inner peace? And in what ways does it influence your approach to challenges? Number 2. Guard your attention. Consciously guide your focus. Stoicism advocates for mindful attention. By steering clear of distractions and intentionally curating the information and activities entering your life, you align with Stoic principles. The philosophy encourages a discerning approach, urging you to be selective in what captures your attention. Avoiding unnecessary diversions ensures your time and energy are invested in pursuits that align with your values and goals. In the Stoic tradition, this deliberate focus becomes a tool for maintaining clarity and purpose. How do you currently manage your focus and filter external influences in your life? Number 1. Celebrate the present. Embracing the present moment, as advocated by Stoicism, is a profound journey toward genuine joy and contentment, irrespective of external circumstances. The Stoic philosophy invites you to derive fulfillment from the richness of the present, emphasizing gratitude as a pathway to resilience and inner peace. This mindset liberates you from the influence of external factors, empowering you to navigate life's uncertainties with grace. Personally, how do you practice appreciation for the moment? Perhaps through mindfulness, acknowledging small victories, or savoring simple pleasures. Recognizing and embracing the present not only elevates your well-being, but also serves as a foundation for a more fulfilling life. How has integrating this Stoic principle impacted your overall perspective on happiness and adopting Stoic principles unfolds a profound roadmap for valuing time and unlocking your latent potential. Recognizing the finite nature of time underscores the urgency to invest each moment purposefully. The alignment of prioritizing virtue and purpose resonates with channeling efforts into meaningful pursuits, fostering a life rich in significance. Embracing the uncontrollable aspects of life echoes the wisdom of focusing on what lies within your influence. Cultivating a pragmatic approach, mindfulness and goal setting emerge as practical tools, steering your existence towards purpose. Viewing challenges as growth opportunities signifies a resilient mindset, sculpting a stronger, more capable you. Cultivating inner peace and guarding attention become shields against life's complexities. Celebrating the present encapsulates a joyful approach to living. Do you agree with our list? Please let us know in the comments. If you think these were crazy, go and check out some of these videos. And don't forget to subscribe.